Welcome to 1222 Old Manor Road. This is a one-bedroom, one full bath, third floor condo in the Briargate community off of Broad River Road in Northwest Columbia. We're on the third floor here. You can see there's the stairwell there. You have communal parking outside. And we'll go ahead and take a look inside the unit. So we enter into the living room. So you have a nice sized living room. On this side, it opens out via the sliding door out to a small balcony. You can see the parking outside is just shared parking. It's an open lot, so you can park wherever you like typically. The living room is open to the dining room on this side, which opens into the kitchen, which is a Galley-style kitchen. You have updated flooring in here. Kitchen itself has an included electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. And then if you continue on down the hall, you have a utility closet there on the left, a coat closet or storage closet in the middle of the hall, and the bathroom door is there on your left, but you can also access it via this room, which is the one bedroom in the home. You have windows on two walls, so a good bit of natural light. Nice size room as well. There is a walk-in closet, or rather a walk-through closet. You have hanging space on the right side and some additional here on the left. And it walks through to the full bathroom, which has that updated flooring as well. And you have a nice long countertop in here with a single vanity, medicine cabinet, and then a shower and tub as well. There also is a linen closet here behind sort of our accordion door partition. And then this leads us right back out to the hallway where we just were. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1222 Old Manor Road, one bedroom, one bath condo off of Broad River. It's convenient to I-26 and I-20 downtown and Harbison as well. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.